let's move ahead with the installation part. So TypeScript could be installed using Node Package Manager, or it could be installed using the plugin in your IDE. If you are using Visual Studio Code, you can install it using the plugin, or we can do it using Node Package Manager. I'll just open up my command prompt and I will type. So guys, let's install TypeScript using Node Package Manager. npm install -g TypeScript. So -g is for global level scope. So I'll be installing this TypeScript in a global scope on my machine. Okay. And if you don't have Node Package Manager npm install, you can install it from this link. It's just a simple click download. If you are using Windows machine, then you can download Windows, then you can download the respective file as per your OS. Okay, and now we'll just hit enter and we'll install the TypeScript. So it's just installing the TypeScript, and here we go, it's installed within 2 seconds.